welcome to the first video of Test Out. I have here with me Anna and Denise. We'll be trying out 3 smartphones, but before we begin, let's find out what Anna looked for in a smartphone. What do you look for in a smartphone?
Camera,
and then
resolution, maybe the screen, speed of the phone.
Speed of the phone.
Yes,
okay.
and also whether the phone is too heavy for me or not, because for lady, I think we will normally look for phone that's lighter, and slimmer.
Okay. Denise?
Same, I also do look for the weight. So we don't really want too heavy phones. I think color-wise is also something that we look out for, and also maybe the brand. Yeah,
the brand.
Prefer brand that is more reputable.
So today we have 3 smartphones with us that we're going to try out. So first of all, we have the Huawei Nova 3i that just came out recently, and then we have the Samsung J7 Dual, and lastly we have the OPPO A73s. Okay, so first up, let's have Anna and Denise have their first impression of the Huawei Nova 3i.
Okay. Very sleek.
Slim, not very heavy. It looks like the Samsung design.
Okay. I think it looks like iPhone X though.
Is it?
Yeah. Correct. It feels like iPhone X.
Okay, the color is quite nice.
Weight-wise, okay. Not so bad. The feel quite smooth. But a bit thin though, I find the phone.
Too thin?
For me, just nice lah. You know, for to have a good grip.
Now you have the Samsung J7 Dual. Yeah.
Feels a bit bulky though.
This one lighter eh?
This is lighter, but I don't know why the grip feels a bit bulky.
Wider.
Wider, right?
Fatter. This is more.
This one, actually I prefer the grip. This grip is better, yeah.
Which one?
This one, the grip is nicer.
Huawei one.
Huawei one is better.
This one a bit too wide. That's why. For small hand like us.
It's like last time,
I feel
those
this,
Samsung phones.
Yeah, this one is better.
The Huawei one. Third phone is the OPPO A73s.
Feels like that.
A bit heavy. Samsung 最重 surprisingly. I feel like, you see. But this one also quite heavy.
No, this one heavier.
Huawei lighters. Huawei, this one heavier than Samsung.
Yeah. Correct. This one feels
the Huawei lighters.
This one feels heavier.
So in terms of weight, you all will choose
Huawei.
So let's say first impression, which one do you think you will catch your eye?
This is quite nice. I like this.
The Nova.
Oh, very different.
The Nova 3i. Okay. So now let's try out the cameras. So what do you all normally use the camera for?
For my job.
For your job? Take photo or?
Events.
Events lah.
So I need a very good camera.
Very good camera.
Correct.
Okay. What about you?
For work, for leisure, we always take selfie.
You all like to take selfie a lot?
Sometimes.
Not often.
Really, I sometimes take selfie.
Not often.
Yeah.
Okay.
Scenery. Especially we go overseas, very important.
Okay.
And because we use it for events, so in those kind of dim room, very important if you can take a brighter pictures.
Okay. So now let's try the Nova 3i.
This is the default camera.
This is the default camera.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, not bad leh.
It's not bad.
Wow.
Very nice.
Very nice.
And now we have the
Samsung.
Yeah, Samsung J7 Dual.
Okay, Wi-Fi first.
Shall we do a Wi-Fi?
Try with backlight.
Backlight.
Very particular about backlight.
Backlight.
See, I see face. Power button, right?
Yeah.
Just now Huawei, okay leh.
Oh no.
Huh?
So now let's try the OPPO A73s. Is it? Let's try.
Yeah.
Never mind. Okay, 1,
2 cannot lah.
2, 3. Okay.
So overall, right? Huawei camera seems better, huh?
Yeah, it's overall.
And also the color also.
So during the so-called day shoot in the bright daylight, in a good well-lit condition, I think Huawei did very well. Now we'll do not so well-lit condition. We're doing photo shoot for indoor and not so well-lit condition. So now we're starting with the Huawei Nova 3i.
Okay, ready?
So next is
Samsung.
Samsung J7 Dual. Now is the OPPO.
Okay. Okay, wow. Okay.
Okay,
Let's see.
I can
let's
see the
do a
difference already.
comparison. The Nova 3i, the camera is overall is very good.
Correct.
So, to do a conclusion, what do you think of these three phones?
If I'm looking at the camera, right, I think I would prefer. I think the Huawei is quite a good choice.
Huawei.
Huawei phone is quite a good choice, and also the phone appearance and the light, the weight of the phone also. I think it's quite light. I think it's something I might consider. But Samsung is a bit very, how to say, it's always the same function, same design. It's quite about the same. You know, so if you want to try something new, right, or something different, if I'm looking at the camera, then I will take Huawei.
Okay. Okay.
Oppo.
What about Oppo?
Oppo average loh. No.
So if you are
Give me
to,
a wow effect.
so if you are no wow effect.
No wow effect.
So yeah, if you are to rank them, which is first, second, or third?
Which is first, second, third. I might consider Huawei.
Huawei lah.
Second is Samsung.
Second Samsung. Then Oppo.
Samsung is because of the functions. Like,
And you're used to.
you're used to Samsung as well.
Okay.
But if I want to try something different, right, and look at the camera, I think I would try Huawei. I don't mind trying Huawei.
Then what about Denise?
Actually, I prefer the Huawei phone. So in terms of the overall functionality, I think this phone is pretty good.
Huawei Nova 3i.
Yeah, it doesn't have inconsistency. So the photo even we took, it came out pretty good. So I think overall this is quite a good phone.
Okay.
Yeah, for Samsung, a bit disappointing for this in a sense, especially the color. Yeah, so I wouldn't even consider this. For this, I find
Oppo,
it's
yeah.
in between these two. So it's a
Normal.
normal so-so phone.
Normal so
Yeah, so I will rank this number 1, Oppo number 2, and the Samsung as the last.
Oh, Samsung as the last. Okay. Okay. So now we have to guess the price for this
Guess,
phone. Yeah.
Can we hear all the three prices?
Yeah, that would be.
Okay. So one is one of it is 348, one of it is 429, and one of it is 398.
Samsung most expensive.
I think 398 is
normally,
Samsung.
Is it? I thought
Samsung.
I thought this is 400.
Okay.
I thought it's 400 plus.
What about the 398?
I think it's this.
Oppo.
Yeah, Oppo. I think Huawei is cheaper to me.
Huawei is cheaper.
Should be based on my understanding of the market rate.
So all the functions and all, you don't think that Huawei should be 429?
I think it is.
I think it's worth, but
I think-
based on my understanding of Huawei's phone price, I thought Huawei is normally very cheap.
Misconception.
Okay. So the most expensive here is the Oppo A7 3S.
Okay.
Yeah. And the second expensive phone here
Samsung.
This one.
Samsung.
is the Huawei.
Yeah.
$398.
Okay.
And then
I think the cheapest is the Samsung.
Really,
Yeah.
It's not
The
the
cheapest
high-end
is
one.
the Samsung,
It's not
yeah.
because of the S series and
correct.
Note
We picked
series.
them because they are of similar price range.
Oh.
So you can compare, you can see that there's a huge difference between like their specifications and the pricing as well.
Correct.
So do you still think that Huawei is still worth
Yes.
$398?
I don't think
Because
this
I always
is
thought Samsung is
400
more
plus.
expensive. Yeah, more.
I don't think this is worth 400 plus. I wouldn't pay 400 plus.
But this one for
I would
300
pay.
plus is very worth it.
These
Yeah.
are
For the
all the
function,
function
yeah.
and all right, and the screen is so bright.
Correct.
Okay.
So Samsung is because of the name, and normally you see that as compared to the rest of the brand, right? This one is normally not the most expensive one. But
Yeah,
because maybe it's
Samsung,
not their
right.
high-end phone.
Yeah. Okay. So there you have it. Huawei. Between the three phones, Huawei Nova 3i, Samsung J7 Dual, and the Oppo A73s, Huawei Nova 3i emerged as the winner, and it's, according to Anna and Denise, is really worth it, worth the $398. So
Go grab yours.
go grab yours. Yeah.
I think I will go and buy one.
Yeah, only $398 with all these
because I
functions,
like
right?
the camera.
Correct. As a spare phone, why not?
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's without
Correct.
contract pricing, right?
Without contract pricing. Yeah.
I will go and buy one.
Buying for my favorite phone.
Yeah. Okay. So there you have it. We have a winner, and stay tuned for our next video. Bye.